Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this OEM styles touchscreen head unit DVD player for Hyundai Veloster 2011 to 2017 years. Okay, let me show. It comes with special harness and canvas decoder box. So it plug and play. Please check this special connector and this factory camera adapter, and there are two canvas decoder amplifier. Okay, I need to plug and play. Please remove this there two screw on the top of head unit because it fixed in DVD player. It built-in DVD player in the shippings. It built-in microphone and IR. Okay, this volume button and menu. You can choose the logo, time, logo, music, and other. You can check the Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can connect to us. You can choose a Belsee or Hyundai. Okay, you can update it Hyundai, and you can change this SIM color. And you can choose the blue. All apps are here. You can check it. Built-in Android Auto, Z-Link apps for wireless Android Auto and wired USB Android Auto. This CarPlay Z-Link app supports the CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto support Bluetooth. It's built in the Play Store. You can download applications from it. Built-in Google Maps, radio, and YouTube mirror screen, phone screen. Okay. Let me show the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and connect Wi-Fi, support hotspot from your phone, and this car settings, driving settings, watch video, and extra settings. Reserve camera setting, parking radar display, and rear ruler. Okay, let me check the storage. It's total 64 GB storage. Google language, you can change the all language already built in the system. Okay. And about motion, you can check mode chip PX6 chip, and Android 11 system. Okay. Long press, you can choose the app. This icon you can change the other icon like the CarPlay. Navy and radio. You can choose the app radio, and when you click it, it will show the radio. You can search the radio stations. Each knob you can check the radio station. It works. It's back the button, and there SD card slot and USB. This USB. This brightness button. You can check. Okay, and this navy button built in the Google navigation. This is radio, this menu, and this Bluetooth. Please search the Bluetooth device. Enable Bluetooth from your car and search it. You can pair it. Your phone will get message. Please click pair. Okay, you can make phone call. It works with Bluetooth. You also can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with streaming music from your phone. Okay, and let me show the this EQ, and you can adjust the buttons custom. Okay, and this music, you can play the USB. It's random. Sound button. Okay, and these instructions for the user manual already built in the system. Video, you can play the USB. This 4K video, a full screen. Okay. Also, you can set the other buttons in here. You can choose the music app, and this is our website, belsee.com, belsee.com. And if you have any more questions, please visit our website to contact us. If you have the need to order head unit, you can choose that, belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay, that's all. Thank you.